Hi everyone, welcome to lesson 17. Let's learn 30 words for intermediate students. Authority. She had a problem with the authorities. Protect, protection. He will always protect you. Temperature. What is the temperature of the water? Burn, burnt, burnt. Burnout. A lot of people suffer from burnout syndrome. Comfort. Comfortable. You should step out of your comfort zone. Dish, dishes, dishwasher. Could you wash the dishes? Note. Take notes, please. Bakery. I'm just going to pop into the bakery. Inside. Look inside. Soap. Pass me the soap, please. Menu. I would like a menu. Stable, unstable. I consider them a stable couple. Employ, employee, employer. They employ foreigners. Knife. That knife is not very sharp. Refrigerator. Fridge. Our fridge broke down. Average. What is the average salary in your country? Reduce, reduction. Cost reduction is inevitable. Level. What is your level of English? Street. What street do you live on? Member, membership. I don't want to lose my membership. Destination. Finally, we changed the destination. Compromise. Marriage is about compromise. Around. Something around 20 minutes. Suck. Stop sucking your thumb. grow, grew, grown. Do you grow your own herbs? Pet. I wish I had a pet. Stick. Stick, stuck, stuck. Get stuck or be stuck. We are stuck in a traffic jam. Till, until. You have to wait until tomorrow. Coat, raincoat. Are you taking a raincoat with you? For or fur. What is it for? Who is it for? What for?